Okay, so I've chosen this layout for this little card fortune telling experiment, ancient and modern methods, and this is just using the ordinary card playing deck, I probably just said. And so this simple but effective telling apparently deals with past, present and future. It's a simple layout. Yeah, so I've taken every card out of the deck as instructed, from 2 to 6, which leaves me with 32 cards. Yeah, take the jokers out. So first card I've pulled, I like to just take a little peek, you know. Let's have a look at the bottom. Oh yeah, cool. So past, present and future. I'll read the layout in case someone wants to do it. Goes for about, it's not much, it's just a page description. So in this video I'll just describe it, and next one I will do a layout. Okay, the pack of 32 cards must be well shuffled by the inquirer and cut with the left hand into 2 heaps, which can be as equal or unequal in size as the inquirer fancies. After the cut, the 2 heaps must not be placed together again until the top card of each has been laid aside, face downwards, to form the usual surprise. Great showmanship. So this is a game, we must remember, but it's a game I'm going to analyze to use more right hemisphere or a divine feminine aspect of perception. How else would we describe it? That intuitive sense, the abstract side of the brain. So that's what this is all about. It's yeah, we're not using certain things, but we're not cutting them out entirely, because the idea is to bring it into some form of reality, hence the cards. The remaining cards are then squared up and dealt into 3 heaps of 10 cards, so you got 3 piles of 10, which represent respectively the past, left hand heap, the present, center, and the future, right hand heap. The 10 cards of the first heap, the past, should be spread in a row from left to right, and then examined for pairs, triplets and quadruplets according to the table of meanings. Yeah, there's a bit of a basic table of meanings here. I'm going to see if we can go beyond those basic meanings, deeper into that zone. You should carefully note all reversed cards, usually indicated somehow by some dot. I don't know. I'm not going to go with the reverse meanings unless that question arises, or it's coupled with something that could hint at a reverse situation. You should carefully note all reverse cards, blah blah blah, as they tend to lessen the good predicted, or increase as they tend to lessen or increase the evil, as the case may be. Such cards usually refer to opportunities lost. It is also very helpful to notice which suit predominates in each heap, clubs being the most fortunate and spades the most evil. The predominance of colour shows whether the greater amount of success has been reached by the inquirer or is still to come. After this, the card should be read singly by the several meanings, from left to right, from right to left of the row. Sorry, dyslexia kicks in occasionally. When all these have been thrown aside, the center heap, representing the present, is similarly examined, and then the future. Finally, the surprise is consulted to see what unexpected event is going to influence the life and fortunes of the inquirer. Okay, so next video I'll pick a question. I don't really know what to ask. I don't have any immediate questions myself. But yeah, I'll think of something, do a layout, get an answer, try and think of something I don't know the answer to, which might make it a bit interesting. Yeah, and go over it, try and see where these simple forms can take us.